Welcome! In front of me I have Acme ACT304 smartband, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this smartband with the Android phone. First, we need to turn on the smartband, and you can do it by plugging it into a charger or computer. Basically, you need to take one of these straps off. You should have the USB plug on one of the ends, and you plug it into a charger or computer. And once you provide the power to the band, it should turn on automatically. After the smartband turns on, we need to download and install the VeryFit Pro application on our phone. So let's open the Google Play Store, tap on search, type in VeryFit Pro, and tap the search button. It should bring you to this page, to the VeryFit Pro app. Tap on the install button and wait until the application is done installing. After the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. Now we will have couple pop-ups about the permissions, like permission for the photos and media. You can allow it or deny it. Then you can swipe left like this, tap on use now, tap on agree, and you will get even more pop-ups. This one is about the location, so if you want to allow it, tap on while using the app or only this time, or you can deny it by tapping on don't allow. And once you're done with the permissions, the app should start searching for the nearby devices, and it should find your ACT304. Tap on it to select it, then tap on confirm bind device, and now we can set up the profile. We can select the gender and date of birth, height, weight, targets like sport, sleep, and weight. And once you're done with the profile, you should see the home page. Now you can tap on the device icon to open the device page for your smartband, and let's wait until it's done syncing with the phone. And cut it. So once it's done syncing, you should see your ACT304, the firmware version, synced at, battery level, and stuff like that. This means that the smartband is paired with your Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.